Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys how I make my very rich fenugreek hair growth mask without any particles in them that can get stuck in your hair. Fenugreek seeds are amazing seeds that can help you achieve healthy, strong and lustrous hair. So to make this mask, I'm going to soak a couple of tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water and let it sit overnight or for 12 hours until they are completely soaked. Then the next day I'm going to take them out, and yeah, this is how it looks. The water on top has this golden color and the seeds are completely soaked. So I'll go ahead and transfer the soaked fenugreek seeds into my blender cup. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron and protein, which are essential for hair growth. They also contain flavonoids and saponins that contain anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, which are helpful in treating conditions associated with dry or irritated skin, such as dandruff and other scalp infections. So yeah, fenugreek also helps to moisturize the hair. Fenugreek seeds are one of the most popular hair growth treatments on my channel. This is because it works amazing and I love the results and I can see the results. So I use it in every shape and form. So yeah, these are just amazing seeds that are very beneficial for the hair. We are going to be looking at some specific benefits of fenugreek for hair growth and other stuff a little bit later. So yeah, but it does have amazing benefits. No wonder everybody swears by it. So if you haven't tried the hair growth mask yet, then you want to consider doing that after watching this video till the end. So as you saw, I left a bit of the fenugreek water. Look at that rich color. So when the paste is too thick, as always, fenugreek is very thick, I'm just going to go ahead and add that water and then continue blending until I get the right consistency I'm looking for. Yeah, so I'm done at this point and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks. Fenugreek is always very thick, like I said. So I'll go ahead and use my muslin cloth to squeeze out the mask from the chaffs. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want those particles in your hair, because as you can see, the blending is not that smooth. Yeah, I don't think I can blend it any more smoother than this. So if you struggle with that, or you do not have a very powerful blender that can give you a very smooth consistency, then you want to go ahead and do what I'm doing right now. So right now I'm just squeezing out what I can squeeze out, and you can see it's very viscous, so thick. Yeah, and this is what I got. Don't mind, it's going to be enough for my hair. It's just thick, and we're going to go ahead and add some other ingredients to it. So you want to keep watching this video. Moving on, I'm going to be adding the fenugreek water that I set aside before into the mask, because it's too thick and we want to bring it to a very nice consistency that will be easier to apply on the hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just add up all the fenugreek water and then stir it until it's smooth, and then I'll go ahead and add some more ingredients. And yeah, you can go ahead and add oils of your choice, but in this video I'm going to go ahead and add olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of that into the mask, just to increase the moisture and all of that and the smoothness. So yeah, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of castor oil into the fenugreek mask. Yeah, and then I'll go ahead and mix that up. So you want to mix it. At this point, you can see that we have such a good amount of the mask, just because we've diluted it. Do I say dilute? Like, we've reduced the thickness by adding the water and the oils. So now it's pretty okay to apply to the hair, and this is how it looks. It's so creamy and the slip is amazing. So I'll go ahead and apply it to my hair. So my hair is freshly washed. I just washed my hair right now, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this mask. I always love to apply my Fenugreek mask on clean hair. Look at that slip. The slip is amazing. It helps to detangle your hair. So yeah, this is an amazing detangler for natural hair. So yep, I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and like I always say, apply it to your scalp, to the length of your hair, and massage it in. It's amazing. So guys, let's keep watching as I apply on my hair, and let's talk about some of the specific benefits of using Fenugreek on our hair. Fenugreek seeds are known to revive damaged hair by controlling hair loss. So if you suffer from hair loss, you might want to consider using Fenugreek or incorporating Fenugreek seeds in your hair regimen, either by using it as a mask or a daily spritz or an overnight treatment. Whichever method you choose, you just want to incorporate that into your hair regimen, and it's going to improve your hair loss condition a lot by reducing hair loss. So yeah, it triggers hair growth as well as hair regrowth. So yeah, if hair doesn't grow in some areas of your hair, Fenugreek is going to stimulate hair regrowth. So you can actually increase your hair density by using Fenugreek seeds. It also works as a natural conditioner for your hair. As you can see, it already conditions my hair very well. So yeah, it nourishes the hair and scalp. Like I mentioned before, Fenugreek works amazing for scalp infections like dandruffs and just itchiness of the scalp. It just helps to soothe that. So yeah, it also adds shine to the hair. So it's an all-round amazing herb or seeds. Fenugreek seeds are also said to work amazing in delaying graying of the hair. So yeah, it helps to prevent premature graying. So if that's something you're avoiding, maybe you should consider incorporating Fenugreek seeds in your hair regimen. These seeds also act as an amazing detangler. As you can see, it detangles my hair easily without any stress. So yeah, because it has this slimy, thick consistency, it helps amazingly with detangling the hair. So yeah, if you're looking for a natural detangler, you might want to consider soaking these Fenugreek seeds and making your hair mask like this, and it's going to help detangle your hair. Fenugreek has way more amazing benefits than we've seen in this video, so you might want to go ahead and do your own research. The benefits are amazing. We're not able to exhaust them all in this video, but if you do your research, you'll be able to make informed decisions. So go ahead, do your research and decide whether you want to incorporate this into your hair regimen or not. After applying the mask to my hair and scalp, this is how my hair looks: soft, moisturized, detangled, and defined. So you can see that it's already defining my curls, making my hair feel super moisturized. After that, what I'll do is just go ahead and twist my hair into two big sections. If you have shorter hair, you might twist your hair into 6 or 8 sections just to get it out of the way. And then I'm going to put it in a steaming cup and steam my hair like I always do. I have low porosity hair, so I need heat in my hair. So yeah, if you do not have a steaming cup, you can cover it with a black plastic bag just to trap the heat in. So yeah guys, that's it for this video, and after 45 minutes I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and turn on your post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys all in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.